Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your miles on Turkish Airlines. First, you can use your Turkish Airlines miles for award tickets, upgrades, shopping, or by using the cash and miles option to pay for part of a ticket. To redeem your miles, simply log in to your Miles and Smiles account on Turkish Airlines website or mobile app. Go to the Miles Transactions or Redeem Miles section to see your redemption options. And that's it. Redeeming your miles is simple and gives you plenty of ways to enjoy your rewards. And that's how to redeem your miles on Turkish Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.